Once upon a time, long time ago, there was a composer named Ludwig van Beethoven. He was such an amazing composer, incredible musician. He could write music not for a single instrument, such as piano or violin. He could write incredible pieces for many instruments playing together, playing at the same time. This is something that we call orchestra. So there was really nothing that he couldn't do in music. But there was one problem. He was very lonely. So Beethoven wanted to find that special friend, that special person that he could share his life with. He really wanted to have a family. That was his biggest dream. And one day, he thought that his dream is about to come true because he fell in love. He fell in love with a beautiful girl, and every time he thought of her, this lovely melody would come to mind. In the morning, he had this idea. I should go and ask her father for her hand. I'm going to marry that girl. So he thought that this was an incredible idea, and he was very happy about it. So he got up and went on his way. At some point, he even started to run. Thoughts about that girl came to him, and he started to think of her. How lovely, how kind, how beautiful she was. Opened the door, and Beethoven asked the father for her hand. But unfortunately, the father's answer was no. Broke Beethoven's heart, and he ran away in tears. And all the way home, he thought of her, of course. But Beethoven created so many incredible pieces that I think, even though he wasn't happy in love, he never had a family, never had children. His life was such a magnificent gift to all of us, because we have this incredible music that we can listen, enjoy, study. This music can lift us up, can cheer us up, can give us strength and inspiration. So we should be very thankful to Beethoven.